In this video, we'll be talking about the text function in CapCut. Okay, if you are editing video, one thing you must understand is that you will work with text. You will definitely work with text, whether you're a video editor or a video creator. You must work with text, despite or no matter the app you are using or software you are using. You must work with text. You cannot see any video work out there that you will not see a text function. Okay, so and while working with CapCut, you have the text function, and I want to walk you through this text function. So once you import your video or your picture or image, you click on text. Now you will see add text, stickers, auto caption, text template, auto lyrics, draw. Okay, so when you click on add text, you can add the text you want to add, like for example, welcome, and God bless you. Okay, all right. Now here, originally it's going to appear like this. Okay, previously it was appearing like this because this was the last style I worked with, okay, with this video. So but it's going to appear like this. All right, if it is on a white background, you change the font color. Okay, you can make it red. All right, you can make it red. All right, so here you see your font. You see your font. You can choose any font that you like. Okay, and remember that CapCut works with internet connection, so you need to have a good internet connection. Now on that style, you can choose the style you want. You see different styles here. Okay, all right, then here you see color. You can change the color. You can change the color. All right, now under color you see text, you see stroke. Okay, now what does this stroke mean? When you tap on this, you're going to see the difference. Okay, this is the stroke. All right, the stroke color. Now you see glow. If you want this to glow, you can see any effect or text effect that you tap, you're going to see it on the text you're working on. All right, we have canvas. Okay, you choose a canvas. All right, then you have none. Okay, this is the canvas we're talking about. Okay, so we have shadow. Okay, let's make this text, let's take it back to the normal. Okay, let's remove the glow. All right, okay, so we are at shadow. Okay, now you can give it a shadow color. All right, you can increase the distance. Okay, can you see? You can see that red shadow. Okay, so let's take it back. So we have the spacing. If you want to space it, okay, you want to space the character. If you want to space the line has to do with if the text has two lines. Okay, something like this. Okay, then you talk about the line. All right, okay, then we have the bold and italics. All right, then under the text too, you have effects. You're going to see different effects. Okay, you're going to see different effects. You can choose anyone, and you see what it looks like. Okay, we have the animation. Okay, the animation, you can see, you tap anyone and you see the effect of it. Okay, can you see? So we have the bubble. Okay, you can see what it looks like. You can drag it using this node to enlarge it. Okay, so these are the effects with the text too. Okay, so you need to play around with it and know how it works. Now once you've added your text, you see more effects here. You see the split style, text to speech in case you want to convert it to speech, animation, delete, copy, lasting text. Okay, lasting text has to do with making the text to stretch all through the video. You see the bubble. All right, then let's go back to our text. Now you see the auto caption. Auto caption has to do with if you are working with sound, you want whatever the video is talking about to type as a text, okay, or transcribe. That is auto caption. Now let's look at text template. Text template has to do with some features that you will love to work with, especially if you are into social media. Okay, so you can see under social media, you can see like, share. Instead of you going to download this feature, you can get it from here. You see title. Some titles you may love to work with. All you need to do is to import it and then edit. Okay, you import and you edit. You tap on it and you can see that you can change it. Okay, so a text template shows you already made templates that you may want to work with. Okay, already designed templates, text templates that you may want to work with. All you need to do is to tap on it, import, and then edit. You can see this vlog, you can see outro. Okay, you just tap and you edit. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, there are a lot of text templates here. Okay, then you see auto lyrics. Auto lyrics has to do with generating lyrics if you are working with a music. Okay, if you are working with a music as the background sound. All right, then we have draw. All right, draw helps you to draw on the video. Okay, helps you to draw like you are seeing now. You can change it to red. Okay, you draw. You can edit the hardness. Okay, or reduce it. You can erase this, erase too. All right, you can erase. So you can draw something on the video. You can erase whatever you have drawn. Okay, if you want to have a lighter texture, can you see something like this? All right, for those that are doing video editing, you can as well make use of it. All right, so this is all about the text tool. Okay, for you to master it, you need to work with it, play around with it by going through the different functions that it has. All right, so if you must add any text or beautify your text, which every video needs an element of text. Okay, while working with CapCut, you use your text tool and you will find all these features there. All right, so thank you and see you in the next video.